You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the meaning of this emoticon? What does this emoticon mean? Bitter. Yes, somebody who is feeling bitter. Bitter in American English. Well, that's how to type it and what the emoticon means. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and slang terms that are commonly used in text messages and chats and stuff, and what they mean. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.